one you're gonna open first?
Which gift?
Okay, from Tita Nicole.
Okay, thank you, Tita Nicole.
Okay. Uy! It's a toy! Oh, pony! Ikon.
Nicole and Tito Arvin.
Thank you, Tita Nicole. Tito Arvin.
Show it.
Show it to them. Yay! What is that? Crystal flyers.
Fairy.
Fairy. Yay! Yay! Wow!
She got a lot of.
I love I think it's Wow! Barbie!
It's a Barbie.
It's a Barbie, Zhuri. Look. It's a
From
school?
BBC.
Wow!
Oh, it's so pretty.
Pretty! Kung sino ka ng, what do you call that one?
Fluffy.
Fluffy. Yay! Okay, next one. Okay, well, open it. It's Paw Patrol! Wow. Yeah!
Who
We give to you. From the?
From school.
Oh, so nice. The blue one, okay? I think it's Jenga. What do you think?
I think it's Jenga.
Are you sure?
That is from the school, right? Jenga! Yay! Not a Jenga, no? Yay! Jenga! Yay! From the school! Yay! Show.
Who gave it to you?
The school?
Who?
Tita Bell? Mabel?
Girls Inc? Who? Ah, that is from Tita Mel.
Tita Mel!
I think this one is big. Ganda ba?
Yeah! It's for daddy!
Pink for daddy.
Yeah! What? This is from Santa. Look, Santa.
Santa Daddy and Santa.
The mommy. It's Santa, mommy, and daddy. Ah! Go.
It's from Mommy and Daddy. Wow! What is that?
What is that? What is that? What is that? Yeah. This is one's favorite, right? Okay, what will you say to mommy and daddy?
Thank you.
Mommy and Daddy.
Mommy and daddy. Ooh, high five.
Wow!
Wow.